Hey everyone, this is Katerina Christakos, and if you're here, it's because you want to learn how to make custom thumbnails for YouTube. Well, I'm logged into the software that I use, and there's a link to it right below this, but let me show you how easy this is. You can either click here from YouTube link and connect your YouTube account and go into your YouTube account and have it create new thumbnails for you if you wanted to jazz things up. Or you can go start with no video. So that's what I'm going to do right here. Start with no video. And when you log in, look at how many really cool video thumbnails there are in anything, in any niche you can think of. So let's say I wanted to use, this one. Use template. Now, go in here, click there, and I would say YouTube video, click here, thumbnails, quick and easy. I'm going to leave that there. Now let's say I wanted to make this very unique. You can click on the picture and then change image, and you have your system images. You got Pixabay images, which are royalty free. You decide. And I'm going to go use one of theirs just to be quick here. And I'm going to do this one maybe and replace it. Cool. Or if I didn't like that, let's say I wanted this one instead. Replace. That easy. And let's say I didn't like her. I'm going to scroll up, change that image, and replace it with whichever ones you want. I could use this one if I wanted. I kind of like her, so I'm going to leave it alone. But you see how easy it is to make a custom video thumbnail with no artistic ability whatsoever. It's quick, it's easy, and it's a lot of fun. So if you're looking to make a YouTube videos that are unique and fun and just pop, use the software. Click on the link below and get it for yourself today. Bye.